This was the official video of Twitter announcing that they have video now. Do you see how much you can put in 30 seconds? Because 30 seconds is the maximum time that you can use on Twitter. There are 3 ways that you can put video on Twitter. First of all, you can record it from the Twitter app. Secondly, you can import it from your iPhone or iPad app from Twitter, or you can upload your own videos to Twitter. And if you want to do it in a deliberate way, not just for social, but because you want to share it or have people take action, then you're going to make a video on your computer and upload it later. Let me show you how it goes.